morning, Scots. I'm Kim.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Bree.
We have 1 week left before winter break.
Oh, yes, we do. But before we get to that point,
We still have some work to get done, like homework and finals.
finals are happening next week on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Before we give you more details about the finals,
Let's start off with some announcements for today. First, today we're having a rally next period.
the ASB team is ready for us, so make sure you guys bring the school spirit.
Second, today is the last day for the flash sale for formal tickets.
$50 with the ASB sticker and $55 without.
Third, baseball conditioning and practice is happening Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 4 p.m. to 5:45 p.m. The last announcement.
Are for the freshmen. The Cocoa, Cookies, and Crème event is happening next Tuesday, December 19th from 4 to 5:30 p.m. at the gym.
Now for a commercial break. We will be back shortly.
Hey, how's it going, Scots? I'm Carlos Iglesias, and we're going to be showing you rally etiquette. Yeah! Wow! Yeah! I love you, Jared! Yeah!
Thank you, Scots, and remember to show plaid during your Highland High School Winter Rally. Thank you.
Remember, Scots, finals are happening next week.
All grade levels, listen up.
Monday is a 1 hour early out.
Tuesday is a regular day.
Wednesday is for periods 0, 1st, and 2nd.
Thursdays is for periods 3rd and 5th.
Fridays is for periods 6 and 7. For Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, school ends at 1:33 p.m. because of finals.
Hey teachers, Isaac has some announcements for you guys.
So listen up.
Hey teachers, I'm Isaac. Here are the announcements. First, next Thursday you will be having a staff Christmas breakfast. Every staff member is welcome to come by and get some breakfast. Second, grades are due January 9th, 2024. Third, remember to give some plaid points to your students. That's it for me. Let's go back to the studio.
Thank you, Isaac.
That's it for today.
And always remember to
Plaid up.